My name is Kamali from Gojan School of Business and Technology. In this video, we will learn about what is drone technology. Drone technology is rapidly evolving and has a potential to transform various industries. As we delve into this topic, it's essential to understand the fundamental concepts that will guide our discussion. Drones or unmanned aerial vehicles are not just tools for hobby. They are becoming integral to sectors like agriculture, logistics, and surveillances. Today we will explore the world of drones from their mechanics to their applications and future prospects. Outlines the key areas we will cover today. We will start with an overview of drone technology, defining what a drone is and familiarizing ourselves with essential terminology. Following that, we will dive into the mechanics of drones, explore their historical context, and discuss various applications across different fields. We will also touch on the regulations and ethical considerations surrounding drone uses. What is drone? A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, we call it as UAV, is an aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drones can be controlled remotely by a pilot or autonomously by onboard computers. They come in various types, including unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) used for aerial surveillance and photography, unmanned ground vehicles (UGV) used for ground exploration and transportations. Also, UAS, that is unmanned aircraft systems, integrated systems combining UAVs and ground controls. Drones are utilized in numerous applications such as military operations, commercial drivers, agricultural monitoring, and disaster relief efforts. Drone mechanics. Drones consist of several basic components that works together to enable flight and communication. These components includes flight controls, monitors, battery, sensors like that. So basically, flight controllers is the brain of a drone responsible for processing inputs and controlling the motors. Motors. Motors provide the necessary thrust to lift and maneuver the drones. And the batteries supply the power to the components of drones. Sensors are gather data about the drone's environment and its positions. Then communication systems allow the drone to receive commands from the pilot or ground control. The flight controller processes data from the sensors and communication system to make real-time adjustments. To the monitors ensures stable flight. The communication system enables the drone to receive commands and transmit data back to the pilot or ground control. We can see the evolution of drones. Let's start with the early use of drones. Drones were first used during World War I and World War II. During these world wars, drones were mainly used for spying and target practices. They helped gather information and improve military strategies without risking human lives. As time went on, drone technology improved a lot. Drones have changed from simple mechanics to very advanced devices. This timeline shows how drone technology has moved from military uses to commercial uses and everyday uses. For example, drones are now used in farming, delivery services, making movies, and many other areas. One of the biggest changes in drone history is the shift from military to commercial use. At first, drones are made for the military, but people soon saw their potential for many different uses. Today, drones are used in many industries, providing new solutions and making things more efficient. Being utilized in a wide array of applications, from commercial delivery services to agricultural monitoring. Their ability to across hard to reach areas make them invaluable for mapping, also surveying, and even humanitarian effects like search and rescue operations. Understanding these applications will illustrate the transformation potential of drone technology across various fields. We need to use the full potential of the drone. We must need to know about regulations and ethics for the drones. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration make the rules for drones. These rules help the drone safe in the air. I'll say the some of rules, that is, drones must be registered, pilots need to be certified, drones must fly below 400 feet, drones must stay within the pilot's sights, drones must stay away from airports and restricted areas. So these are the rules and regulations for the drones and drone operators. Now let's talk about ethics. One big concern is privacy. Drones with cameras can take pictures and videos of people without their permission. It's important to respect people's privacy and not invade their personal space. Another issue is airspace. Drones share the air with other aircrafts. So it's important to make sure drones don't interfere with other air traffic. This helps prevent accidents and collisions. The future of drone technology is promising with emerging trends like AI integration and urban air mobility. However, challenges remains, including safety concerns and regulatory hurdles. Addressing these challenges will be crucial for the continued advancement and acceptance of drone technology in society. We will explore these trends and challenges in more detail.